goal of the Made Here series was that we are intimately involved in a lot of the communities that we work in, and how important and how in the success of manufacturing the community is basically the success of us and all the partners that are part of that sort of manufacturing community. We looked for stories that really define the culture and what really transcends just this local community manufacturing story. And in Louisville, it's all about bourbon. So we worked with Opus Integration, who's doing amazing modern work with one of the biggest distilleries in the area called Heaven Hill. And we really wanted to tell, what they're trying to do to modernize the whole distilling operation. And also Amatrol, who is basically changing lives around the country through training and helping people create a life and career by innovative ways of manufacturing training solutions. It's really about the whole entire partner ecosystem. That's the people that are delivering the solution, providing the solution, thinking and designing that solution, all the way to the technology partners like Rockwell Automation that are involved in that solution. And I just don't think that thread and that story has really been told in an intimate way. And I think we're just trying to do it one community at a time. We're super thankful and super grateful for able to receive the Rockwell Automation Partner Ecosystem Award. I think really what it means, not only just for us, but for everyone involved, is that really just recognizes the importance and value of really telling the full partner ecosystem story